we are going to be talking about adding fractions. So when we have a fraction, the number on top is going to be your numerator. Your number on bottom, denominator. So if I had 1/4 plus 2/4, I can only add them up if the denominators match. So the 4 has to be a 4 over here as well. So when you add them up, you only add up the numerators, not the denominators. So 3/8 is not the correct answer. You only add the numerators up. So you only do 1 plus 2. So it's going to be 3. And then the denominator stays exactly the same. So you get 3/4. And that's your final answer. Okay, let's try another one. Let's say I had 5/11 plus 3/11. Once again, do my numerators match? Yes, they match. So I'm going to automatically put the numerator right here. The denominator on the bottom. And then we just add 5 plus 3, which is 8/11. One more. Let's do 6/13 plus 2/13. My denominators match, so all I have to do is add up my 6 plus 2, and I get 8/13. Okay, let's talk about subtracting fractions. It's the same thing. You have to have the same denominator in order to subtract. So if I had, let's see, 5/6 minus 2/6. I gotta check if my denominators are the same, so that works out. So I end up with 6 in the denominator, and then 5 minus 2 is going to give you 3/6. Let's say I had... Okay, so now I'm going to be introducing negative numbers. This is why it's important to know the negative number. Let's say I had negative 4/13 plus 6/13. First of all, my numerators are the same, so I can go ahead and put my denominators are the same, so I can go ahead and put the denominator on the bottom. -4 plus 6. So if you're not good at adding negative numbers, I am going to create a number line to help me out. I always start off at 0. I always put 0 on the number line, and I am going to start off at -4 because that's my first number. So I do 1, 2, 3, 4. That is -4 right there. And I'm going to be adding. So when you add, you go to the right, and we're going to be going to the right by 6. And I'm getting these numbers from right here. Okay, so I'm going to be going to the right by 6. Let's go ahead and count. You start off at -4, so you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you end up at 2. So -4 plus 6 is equal to 2. So you get 2 over 13. Let's go ahead and try some more number line problems. Okay, so we got 7 over 11 minus 9 over 11. My denominators do match, so I can go ahead and subtract them. I know 11 is going to go here. 7 minus 9. Let's go ahead and do that. 7 minus 9. I'm going to create a number line and draw my little tic tacs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so we're going to subtract. Okay, so we first start off at 7. So 7 is going to be over here. And this is -7 minus 9. So that means I'm going to go to the left by 9 because I'm subtracting. So let's go ahead and count. I'm going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I end up at this spot, which is -2. So 7 minus 9 is equal to -2. You get -2 over 11. Let's try one more. Let's go ahead and try. Let's go ahead and try -5 over 7 minus 1 over 7. I have my number line over here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. First of all, can we subtract? Yes, because our denominators are the same. So my denominator is going to be 7. And then we're going to do -5 minus 1. I'm going to start off at -5. So -5 is going to be at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right here, this is -5. And I'm going to go to the left by -1 because when we're subtracting, we go to the left. So 1, we end up over here, so we get -6. If we were adding, we would have gone to the right and got a -4. But we're subtracting, so we get -6 over 7.